Ever wanted to use powerful spreadsheet tools without installing anything? Today, I'm going to show you how to use OpenOffice Calc Online with the OffiDocs platform. Just head to the OffiDocs website, select OpenOffice Calc, and you're ready to go. No downloads, no installations, just instant access. The interface will feel familiar if you've used spreadsheet programs before. You've got your toolbar, your formula bar, and your worksheet down below. Everything is right where you'd expect it to be. You can create powerful formulas with the Intelligent Sum button here, and even generate charts to visualize your data in seconds. Need to share your work? No problem. Export your file as a PDF or in your desired format and get access to it from the file manager. Then download it and share. So there you have it. OpenOffice Calc Online through OffiDocs gives you all the power of a desktop spreadsheet program, accessible from anywhere, on any device, completely free. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to explore more on GoSearch.